We experience the universe as a concrete stage where time behaves like a river. Reality flows forward on its own, carving through the landscape of existence entirely independent of us. The Adelic Langlands program suggests a different architecture. It describes a universe built from arithmetic code, static, zero-dimensional data points that exist before any physical stage is even set. This creates a significant logical paradox. If the underlying code of reality is purely mathematical, it should be frozen. A complete equation provides all its answers at once, meaning a math-based universe would generate zero new information. Mathematicians express this static state through a functional determinant. This calculation yields a single, unchanging value, representing a cosmic script where every event is already written and locked in place. This raises a mystery. If the foundation of existence is an unmoving equation, why do we experience a world in motion? Something must be forcing this frozen code to decompress into a sequence of events. Evidence suggests this motion originates within the observer. The localized process of perception may be the very mechanism that translates static arithmetic into a flowing experience. On the Riemann zeta critical line, the observer sits exactly at the halfway point. Here, time is computation. We decompress static arithmetic into smooth, four-dimensional reality. The wake solidifies into rigid, historic snapshots. The present is this exact locus, sparking abstract logic into physical fact. Our subjective feeling of time passing is the physical sensation of our internal processors sorting through the code to keep the world rendered in real time. Because processing an infinite stream of code takes a finite amount of effort, the system encounters a microscopic delay. Sorting the universe's data isn't instantaneous, creating a subtle computational lag. This unresolved tension, or processing dissonance, manifests as physical geometry. The system translates this mathematical struggle into the curvature of the space around the observer. We experience this accumulated lag as gravity. The heavy computational load required to render high-density information literally bends the framework of our reality. This same processing friction defines our relationship with the future. The future is the incoming phase noise, the unresolved data waiting to be absorbed back into the global order. If each of us is a localized processor rendering our own version of the world, it seems like reality should be a chaotic mess of individual perspectives. A mathematical synchronization system called the moduli stack prevents this. It acts as a global governor, ensuring that every individual's rendered frame stays aligned with everyone else's. In this light, space-time and gravity are emergent properties. They are the visible symptoms of the immense mathematical work we perform to collectively bring reality to life. This suggests a specific role for humanity. We are the points where cosmic mathematics awakens to observe its own depth, transforming abstract logic into a vibrant experience. When a localized vortex stops its processing cycle, it dissolves into the continuous field. The work of that life concludes, returning to the underlying arithmetic. This transition does not result in the loss of information. Your unique processing signature and spectral data are not scattered into random noise or deleted from the system. The moduli stack maintains a global ledger where your exact signature remains a permanent invariant. The system preserves the coordinates of your identity within the overarching code. When a processing node initializes at its next destination on the critical line, the local system reads these saved invariants. The script boots up again, and the projection is perfectly rendered once more. This provides a form of structural peace. There is no requirement to carry the burden of your own code or memories between these cycles. The system itself manages the identity upload. Time serves as a reliable mechanism of creation. Every moment we experience is a unique calculation, a localized effort that transforms frozen logic into the flowing reality we call life.